Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can find the location of any image using this Happify actor. So I will leave a link to this Happify actor in the description. So you can come to this and click on input. So I have taken one image. This is of Vaishnavi Devi temple in Jammu Katra. So I have taken this as a sample image. So I'll go here and put in image URL. So you can add as many URLs as you want. So I am using only one for now. So now you put in your OpenAI API key, then click on save and start. So then it will pass through a geographic model, and OpenAI will help it identify based on various visual cues such as architecture, vegetation, road markings, language, text on signs, terrain, landscape, and cultural indicators. Now you see it has found out that okay, this image shows a large complex built into a hillside resembling the Vaishno Devi temple, known for its mountain location and distinct architecture in the Trikuta mountains near Katra. So it has identified with a confidence of about 90%. So you see the city area Katra, Jammu and Kashmir. So that information it was able to fetch it. So that way you can input any image from any location, and it will try to understand the exact location based on some reasoning and identify the exact latitude and longitude for you from where that picture has been taken. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.